वेलकम टू ब्रिलियंट मैथमेटिक्स एकेडमी। इस सेक्शन में हम लोग देखते हैं स्टैंडर्डाइज नंबर सिस्टम। In number system, we are going to teach topic by topic. The first topic is to determine rational numbers between two numbers. अगर दो नंबर दिए हुए रहते हैं तो rational numbers कैसे फाइंड करते हैं, तो let's see that. The formula for finding a rational numbers between two numbers is x plus y upon 2, where y is greater than x. X plus y upon 2 where y is greater than x. So for example, if we are to find a rational number between 2 and 3, so what is the condition? The condition is y is greater than x. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Just we have to put the formula. 2 plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 2. Second example is find a rational number between 6 and 2. If you want to find a rational number between 6 and 2, so again x plus y upon 2. Y is greater than x, so the value for y is 6 and the value for x is 2. Just we have to do the addition. 6 plus 2 upon 2, which is equal to 8 upon 2, which is equal to 4. नाउ अगर एक से ज्यादा रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करने रहते हैं तो उसके लिए अलग फॉर्मूला है, so we can find that also. So let's move to that topic. To determine more than one rational number, to determine more than one rational number, अगर एक से ज्यादा रैशनल नंबर फाइंड करते रहते हैं तो उसके लिए अलग फॉर्मूला है. सो व्हाट इज दैट फॉर्मूला? वी कैन से दैट d equal to y minus x upon n plus 1, where y is greater than x. And let's see the example based on this formula. How to determine a rational number for more rational numbers. So find four rational numbers lying between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. We have to find four rational numbers lying between lying between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Now in this case the denominator is different. 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. So what we can do, just we can take the LCM of both these numbers. LCM is 15. The LCM is 15. Just we have to do the rough work and solve this LCM. 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 3s are 3 3s are. So here 9 upon 15 and here 2 upon 3, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 5, 10 upon 15. So the value for this one is greater, 10 is greater than 9. So 2 upon 3 is greater than 3 upon 5. So the value for y is 2 upon 3 and x is 3 upon 5. Now we have to use this formula, y minus x upon n plus 1. D, we have to calculate the value for D. D is equal to y minus x upon n plus 1, which is equal to 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 5. 2 upon 3 minus 3 upon 5 divided by n plus 1. The value for n is 4. We have to determine 4 rational numbers. Therefore, the value for n is 4. So, write here 4 plus 1, which is equal to 2 5 are 10 minus 9 upon 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 1 upon 15 upon 5, which is equal to 1 upon 15 5s are 75. So the value for D is 1 upon 75. Now we have to find the rational numbers. So what is the formula for rational numbers? It is, for finding the first rational number, the formula is x plus d, which is equal to, the value for x is 3 upon 5. So you have to write here 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 75, which is equal to, now again the LCM for 5 and 75. What it will be? 5, just write the factors for your, आपके आसानी के लिए मैं ये फैक्टर्स ढूंढ रहा हूँ. 75 5, तो 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. Now the factors for 5 are 5 multiplied by 1 and 75 are 5 5 and 3. Now take the common here, 5 and 5 common. The LCM will be 5 5 and 3. 5 5 are 25, 25 3s are again 75. The LCM is 75. Now just we have to do the calculation over here. The LCM is 75. Now 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 15 is 75 plus 1 multiplied by 1 and 75 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 53 is 45 upon 75 plus 1 upon 75, which is equal to 46 upon 75. So the first rational number is 46 upon 75. Similar way, we have to find the second rational number. The second rational number will be x plus 2d, which is equal to x plus 2 multiplied by, the value for x will be 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5 plus 2 multiplied by, the value for d is, again the value for d is 1 upon 75, which is equal to 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 75. Now here the value changes, again the LCM is 75. So what we have to do here, do the calculations. 3 multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 15 plus 5 multiplied by 50 plus 2 multiplied by 1, 75 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 15 3 is 45 plus 2 upon 75, which is equal to 47 upon 75. So this is your second rational number. Now third rational number. What? How will you find third rational number? The formula for third rational number is x plus 3d. X plus 3d, which is equal to, the value for x again 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 75, which is equal to 3 upon, again the LCM for 5 and 75 is 75. So 3 multiplied by 50 upon 5 multiplied by 50 plus 3 multiplied by 1 upon 75 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 3 upon 75 plus 3 upon 45 upon 75 plus 3 upon 75, which is equal to 48 upon 75. So the third rational number is 48 upon 75. In the similar way, we have to find the fourth rational number, which is x plus 4d. Fourth rational number will be x plus 4d. X plus 4d, which is equal to, the value for x is 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 plus 4 upon 75, which is equal to, again the LCM is 75. So what we have to do, 3 multiplied by 15, 5 multiplied by 15 plus 4 into 1, 75 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 45 upon 75 plus 4 upon 75, and the fourth rational number will be 49 upon 75. Like this way you have to get the rational numbers. So let's go to the next problem. Just we have to use the formula and you have to calculate the values for rational numbers. Again, find four rational numbers between -5 and -6. Four rational numbers between -5 and -6. Again, we have to do the same thing here. Find the four rational numbers between -5 and -6. The value for y will be -5 and the value for x will be -6. Calculate the value for d. D equal to y minus x upon n plus 1, which is equal to y minus x -5 minus 6 upon n plus 1. The value for n is 4, so 4 plus 1. Minus minus will become plus, -5 plus 6 upon 5, which is equal to, again minus plus minus 6 minus 5 is 1. The value for d is 1 upon 5. Now by using the same formula, we have to calculate the first rational number is x plus d, which is equal to, the value for x is -6. -6 plus the value for d is 1 upon 5. 6 5s are 30. Minus sign is there, therefore -30 plus 1 upon 5. Minus plus minus, 30 minus 1 is 29 and bigger number is 30. Therefore give sign of bigger number, -29 upon 5 is your first rational number. Second rational number x plus 2d. Again -6 plus 2 upon 5, which is equal to -30 plus 2 upon 5. 30 minus 2 is 28. So -28 upon 5 is your second rational number. Third rational number is x plus 3d minus 6 plus 3 upon 5, which is equal to -30 plus 3 upon 5, which is equal to -27 upon 5. And the last one is x plus 4d -6 plus 3 upon 4 upon 5 -30 plus 4 upon 5, which is equal to 30 minus 4 is -26 upon 5. So these are your rational numbers. Now let's move to the other topic. Now we will go to the decimal expansion. Other topic is decimal expansion of rational numbers. Decimal expansion of rational numbers. Now, in decimal expansion of rational numbers, there are two cases. Case 1 is terminating, rational numbers and case 2 is non terminating rational numbers. जब कभी भी रिमाइंडर जीरो आता है तो टर्मिनेटिंग रैशनल नंबर्स रहता है एंड इवन इफ द रिमाइंडर इज नॉट जीरो and the numbers are repeated, that is known as non terminating rational numbers. So let's take the examples of it. Case 1 is terminating rational numbers. Case 1 is terminating rational numbers. So let's take the example of it. The first one is 1/4. अभी हमको देखना है ये टर्मिनेटिंग है या नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग है. So we have to divide 1/4. 1 is not divisible by 4, so take here 0 point, add here 0. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 2 is 2. Again add here 0. 4 5s are 20. So the remainder is 0. So it is a terminating type of rational numbers. Now let's take the other example. Example number 2. Example number 2 is 639 to 50. 639 to 50. So we have to divide 639 by 250. What we have to do? 250 and 639. Now in the table of 250, which is the number less than 639? So you must be knowing the table of 25. 25 twos are 50. So 250 twos are 500. 250 twos are 500. 6 minus 5, 9 minus 0, 3, 6 minus 5, 1, 139. Now 139 is lesser than 250. Add here point, give here 0. 1390. So which is the number less than 1390 in the table of 250? So 25 5s are 125. So 250 5s are 1250. 041. So 1400. Again add 0 here. 140 is the answer. Again add 0 here. So in the table of 250, which is lesser number than 1400, again we have to do the same. 250 5s are 1250. 0. 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. 150. Again add here 0. In the table of 250, 1500 comes. So it's 6 are 1500 and 0. So again this is a terminating type of rational numbers. Now let's go to the non-terminating type of rational numbers. Let's see that example in which the remainder is not 0. Case 2 is non-terminating type of rational numbers in which the remainder is not 0. Case 2 is non-terminating type of rational numbers. Means non-terminating rational numbers. Now in non-terminating rational numbers, the remainder is not 0, but the digits are repeated. So what? Let's see the example 2/3. The first example is 2/3. Now we have to do this division. 3 2. Again write down 0.0. 3 6 are 18. 2. Again here remainder is 2. So again here write 0. 3 6 are 18. Again the remainder will be 2. This remainder will be repeated for multiple times. So 66666 will be repeated for in multiple times. So this point 6 will be your non-terminating type of rational numbers. If these digits are repeated, then that fraction or that division is known as non-terminating type of rational numbers. Now let's take the other example. Example number 2. Example number 2 is 1 upon 7. Example number 7, second is 1 upon 7. Now let's divide 7 1 0 point here 7 ones are 7 10 minus 1 3. So again add 0 here 7 fours are 28 30 minus 28 is 2 again add is 0 here 7 twos are 14 20 minus 14 is 6. Again here 0 here 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. Again add 0 here in table of 7 which is the number less than 40. 7 5 are 35. 40 minus 35 is 5. Again add 0 here. So 7 sevens are 49. Again 1 is the remainder. See here we have to divide 1 upon 7. Again the remainder is 1. Again the same number will be repeated. Then this whole number will be repeated again. 1 4 2 8 5 7. These digits will be repeated. So this is also an example of non-terminating type of fraction or division. In the next video, we will solve some more examples of number system and more topics we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.